cilantro. Gentlemen, 7 is a circle of trust. What we're going to tell you is extremely sensitive. Got it?
Oh, Captain, my captain.
Robert Singer will be dead by end of business. Newman will be sworn in. People will panic. There will be rioting, bloodshed, etc., etc. Someone will have to swoop in and restore order.
We will put out the call to every Vought hero, every fucking one, to surround the Capitol, the White House, and the Pentagon.
Defending the rightful President Newman. Now, what I need you to do, for fuck's sakes, get a recall.
Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm just the meds. You know, the meds. They're causing a little heart palpitation and a high fever, but it ain't no big thing.
Okay, well, you're coughing all over me, and it's fucking disgusting. Go further now. Scoot. Further. As I was saying,